Clinton's camp is pushing back on suggestions she may have broken the law by using a personal email account during her time as Secretary of State. At a gala fundraiser last night, Clinton did not address the growing controversy, but some of her aides are talking about it. So let's talk about it ourselves. I want to bring in senior political correspondent Brianna Keilar to bring us up to date. So she spoke before this gala crowd of supporters, mostly women in the crowd, but she did not broach the subject of these emails. Why?
No, that's right. She didn't. Obviously, she's not at the point where she wants to talk about this. And I think certainly this is something that is really, it continues to have legs, Carol, and I think her team is formulating still how they're going to respond to this. It's important to note that in 2014, Hillary Clinton's team turned over 55,000 pages of emails to the State Department. This came after a request from the Obama administration of all former secretaries of state. But remember, because her email was solely a private email account, Clinton and/or her aides had the discretion to turn over whichever emails they saw fit. They said they complied with the request to the letter, but there's really no way to be sure. And that's why experts are saying that in this case where Hillary Clinton and her aides had the sole control over the emails, it raises some issues about why she would do this if it was just to maintain such a tight hold on her communications. Listen to what a Republican said. This is Trey Gowdy. He is the head of the Select Committee on Benghazi.
The State Department does not have all of Secretary Clinton's emails on its servers. Only she has a complete record. And the committee is going to have to go to her and her attorneys and her email providers to ensure we have access to everything the American people are entitled to know.
Outstanding in all of this, Carol, is why. Why did Hillary Clinton use this personal email address only instead of the government account? She may not have broken the law. She certainly violated the spirit of it. And at this point, the reasoning that an aide is giving that she used her BlackBerry before she was Secretary of State, liked to use it afterwards, and that Colin Powell did something similar to this, I don't really think it's going to hit the mark. I think they're going to need to come out with something else.
Okay, well, we're going to talk about that next. Brianna Keilar, thanks so much. All of this surfacing as Hillary